Good day, McVeigh, and happy Monday. Boys and girls, please stand to honor our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Boys and girls, you may be seated. Okay, well, let's get to our birthdays. So we had no birthdays on Saturday, but we did have some birthdays yesterday on Sunday. So happy birthday yesterday to Valentina Arrigo in our 5th grade, Emma George in our 5th grade, Mikhail Kalfan in our 4th grade, Gerald Kincaid, the 3rd in our 4th grade, and Meeville Matthew in our 2nd grade. And today, happy birthday to Maria Noble in our 2nd grade and Mrs. Contrati. Mrs. Contrati, boys and girls, is one of the wonderful people that works in our main office. So if you see her, say happy birthday. Okay. So welcome back to all of our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. Wow. And some others who are starting their school year today. So happy to have everybody here at McVeigh. And a couple of things to be thinking about. So again, we have whole classes coming together. There might be some faces that you haven't met before. So if you were in A day and we had a new student on B day, you might not know them. Perfect day to make a new friend. Perfect. And there might be some students who were working from home all of this time that'll now come to school. So let's make sure we're being super duper mighty kind and reaching out to all the new faces that we have here at McVeigh. And while we're thinking about being at McVeigh and doing all the things that we would do in school, just a reminder, always cover the nose. Super important. Make sure your nose is covered by your mask, and if your mask isn't fitting well, keeps falling down, we have extras for you. Come on down to the nurse, and we'll give you one that fits. It gets to be sometimes a little bit annoying, it keeps falling down, you have to lift it up. We have others. All right. Now, from Friday, we had a project on tardigrades. So the water bears, and I said we had a project waiting for us from Lila Smith, elephants. I also got the first kindergarten project of the year. Yep, from Maddie Mazzella in Miss Page's class, and this will be tomorrow. I also have one from Sophia Cardali. So some cool, very cool projects coming up. Today's project, though, for the Get Smart Show is from Lila Smith, and she did a little project on elephants. Again, what I love that she did, she made it kind of like a nonfiction poster. She not only drew the elephant, loved the illustration, but she labeled the elephant. And she talks about an elephant being one of the largest animals in the world. Now, of course, we also learned about the blue whale. Remember what Ms. Checo submitted? And so she said that elephants live in Asia and Africa. Now, last year in the spring, there was a photo as part of Where on Earth, and it was one of the teachers in a place, and there was an elephant, and was, where is she? Where on earth is she? And so it was Miss Veit. And so one of the things that helped us to know where she was the elephant. There's something different about Asian versus African elephants. Does anybody know what that is? I did not get any responses about the banana, by the way, about how a monkey would eat a banana, but I hope somebody figures that out. But anyhow, so listen to some fun facts about elephants. So an African elephant is so big it makes a 6-foot man look tiny. That is very true. And if you've ever been to the circus, you might have seen what it looks like to have a person sitting on top of an elephant. They look tiny, tiny, tiny. And for those teachers out there, you know, we always talk about the elephant and the rider and the size of the elephant as compared to the rider. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, now what about the elephant's ears? Did you know that elephant ears release heat to help cool the elephant? Yep. Thank you for sharing that, Lila. And the trunk of the elephant, said Lila, is used for breathing and drinking. And of course, she showed a little diagram of that. So again, I wonder how much an elephant weighs and what an elephant weighs in comparison to a blue whale. Maybe somebody can figure that out. And then maybe, I don't know, maybe Emma, George, will let us know how many cars that equals. If a car equals 2,000 pounds, how many cars equal one elephant? But first we have to figure out how much an elephant weighs. Okay, now lunch today. Let's talk a little bit about lunch. So we have 4 choices now. First choice, chicken wings. Second choice is yogurt. Third, grilled cheese. And fourth is the bagel lunch. For students in grades 3, 4, 5, somebody will come around to your class and asking you, and you're going to have to raise your hand, and we're going to mark down next to your name what you ordered. Make sure that you want what you order because we're not going to be able to switch it. So if you raise your hand for chicken wings, that's what we'll have for you when it's your time to eat. All right, very good. And of course, boys and girls, we always end our show with the Mighty Kind moment of the day. We're going to get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So today, the Mighty Kind moment is coming from Rachel Andrioli in our kindergarten. And so she painted this beautiful rock. Look at that. Just to say thank you. So she took the time out of her day to do something nice for somebody. And that's what being kind is. It's taking time out of your day to do something for somebody else. So this took time, and then I think her mom helped her. But it's a beautiful McVeigh rock, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I also have another super Mighty Kind moment to announce tomorrow, but you'll have to wait for that one. And maybe there'll be a Mighty Kind moment that I find out about you. Let's hope. So, of course, boys and girls, as always, I know you can do it. Be mighty minds and mighty kinds because you are mighty kind, mighty minds. And every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.